Sorry, I look so crusty. But I'm just here at my window and I'm looking out. I just woke up, so sorry I look so crusty. But my pre-set, we have a winter storm. So we have a winter storm today. I'm gonna work. I don't know. I'm gonna talk to you guys about how I got my part-time job and all those fun stuff. I don't know if that video is up already or you guys watch it already before. No. But yeah, may I go work. Zine? I'll work later. And let me show you how outside look, guys. Let me show you. So that's how outside I behave. Zine. Yeah, and a rain that, a snow that. I don't know how high that is for me to walk in. But yeah. So my lovely people, work is about 20 minutes walk from here. It's winter time. I'm inside most of the time. I have school online most of the time. Well, right now. And I use that as my little, exercise time. Exercise. Yeah. And I'm not think I do it today. The bus ride is equivalent to about the same time that it takes me to walk. So I'm gonna normally take the bus. I've never taken the bus to go to work before. I just normally just walk my 20 minutes and I use it, as I said, as a little exercise to get in some physical activity. May I take the bus today? I shall take the bus today. But as you know, you guys are going to come along the journey with me. I haven't taken the camera in days. But I said, hey, it's my first winter storm. And I was going to, oh, you guys can't see outside like that. I was going to share it with you guys. So, yes, I will. Yes, sir, I will. Yes, I will. So, I guess the next time you guys see me is when I'm fully clothed. And I'm heading to work because I think make a chance it. I mean, yeah. I'll let you guys know how that goes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I don't know what's going on. You guys are watching the videos. You guys are not liking up the videos. I don't know what going on. Guys, come on now. It not kill you. It not cost you nothing. There's a thumbs up button. All right. Let me take it slow. There's a thumbs up button that's below my video. Goes like this. Hit that. There's also a subscribe button. You see the word subscribe? Hit that as well until you see subscribed. If you see subscribed, don't touch it. But hit it until you see it. Subscribe. Subscribe to my channel to support me. Subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos and just motivate me. It is daunting to get up, take up a phone, make videos, edit videos, release videos, and you guys are not liking, subscribing, sharing. This journey is one that I know a lot of persons are interested in, so I do expect to be getting a lot of views for this, because I mean, come on guys, and as Jamaicans, I know there's a couple YouTubers out there doing their thing, but there's not a whole lot of Jamaicans. There's a whole lot of like Indian and so on. There's not a lot of Jamaicans. See, I get it from a yardy Jamaican perspective of what's going on. Come on guys. As I mentioned before, this is my journey. So as things progress, when I get a job, when I finish school, when I do this, when I do that, you guys are just gonna be in my life. I'm just talking in my life. So yeah, enough for the ranting. Bye guys. Guys, look where me are going now. My foot just made that imprint. Talk the truth where God love now. Want them to talk the truth where God love, What is? What is? What is this? Talk the truth where God up at heaven love. What is this me a walking at? Watch it. Guys, you have, oh my Lord. Guys, may I go? Oh Jesus. May I try? I'm literally trying to go to work right now. May I try? People, may I try? Like, oh my gosh. May I have to try if I'm not drop them. Yes, no. Oh my gosh. safe. May I try though? Guys, I'm in the bus. I made it in the bus. Come on, nose wet. Jesus Christ. I made it in the bus, guys. Outside is busted. I don't know if it's telling you. Outside is busted, but I'm gonna show you guys the bus moving. How it look. Mama, this is what my tan black, you know? Black. So I'm off the bus and I'm walking to work. I've never taken this route before, so I have to kind of be using my Google Maps to do it. Sorry about the angle, guys. It rough, but I refuse to stay home or anything like that, you know. I don't think I want to come up with an excuse. I'm staying home because XYZ 1, 2, 3. So yeah, I'm kind of just trying to find where I'm going to go for work, guys. I think I'm going down further. But yeah, guys, I guess I'll catch in with you when I'm at work. You want to see the place? I want to see the place. Is this me when I got up on the road? Jesus, me is a Hey guys, so I'm at work now. Unfortunately, I can't video because I can't have my phone with me, so you guys can't see what's up. But I'm in a changing room. Got here safe and sound. Jesus, it was stressful. I don't know what other footage I'm going to incorporate with this. So I hope you guys like the video. You guys don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, comment down below, and let me know what you guys are thinking. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye. Alright, hey guys, so work is finished and I'm about to head home now. Look for that carrot. Look for that carrot, people. Look at cover in the snow. It's not safe. Anyway, guys, yeah, I'm about to try to catch my bus. So I mean, if I put a little pepper in my step. But yeah, so for all my international students, what's the word I'm looking for? Okay, but I'm kind of slow down. See, my foot got sleep while ago. But for all my persons who are interested in becoming an international student, this is what you have to look out for, especially in winter time. I have no other experience at Canada. I came in winter, I came in December, so this has just been it for me. But yeah, Jesus, look at breeze and flow. I'm gonna show you guys my scenery for a second, and then yeah.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost